how to add money to Chime from Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So in order to add money to Chime from Cash App, we need to add Chime into our Cash App. And for that, just simply click on this option of profile at the top right hand side corner. Then scroll down and select the option of linked banks. After that, click on the option of link debit card. Now provide the credentials of your Chime card and click on this option of link card. In case if you don't have Chime card, then just simply click on this option of no card. And after that, wait for it to load. Now select the option of continue and wait for it to load. After that, you need to select the option of Chime. In case if you are not able to see the Chime option over here, then just simply search for Chime. After that, click on this option of Chime. Now it will prompt you to log in order to continue. After that, just simply click on this option of continue and provide the credentials of Chime account, and this way you would be able to add your Chime account to Cash App. So whenever you will try to cash out from Cash App, you would be able to find the option of Chime over there. This way you would be able to withdraw money from your Cash App to Chime. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.